In this short tutorial, I will show you how to get back the old Instagram chat theme. Many users may have customized their Instagram chat theme and want to revert it back to its original look. It's easy to do so by following a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to your direct messages by tapping on this button at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap and select the chat where you want to set the theme back to the default look. Then tap on the person's name at the top left. And then tap Theme. What you want to do next is scroll down. Now you'll see a section called Colors and Gradients, and in that section you'll see an option called Default. Just tap on it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram chat theme back to default. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.